Hi guys, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today is a part 3 tutorial of Airline reservation system. In our last class, we designed the customer form. Look like this. In this class, I am going to connect the database and add the data into the database. So let's see the things. Go to the localhost. I install exam server. If you are not installed exam server in your machine, you must install the exam server in order to connect the database, right? After that, go to the PHP my admin. Here I am going to create the database, right? Here database name is Airline, right? Airline reservation, Airline, right? Here it asks to create the table. How many columns we need? This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 column, right? So here I am going to create as 10. First one should be customer. This one should be the customer, right? Right. Here first one should be ID. This one should be customer ID. I just put as ID. This one should be varchar 255 characters, because this is not a auto incremented part. I'm creating the IDs manually, right? Code, right? So here second one is a customer name. Second one should be first name, last name. First name varchar, last name varchar, and NIC number, passport, right? NIC, passport, after that we need address, date of birth, DOB mean date of birth, gender, contact, gender, varchar, contact number. You have to int 11 because it's a phone number. The final thing is a photo. We have to select the data type as this one, long block, this one, right? That's the stuff you have to do. These are the columns you have to create, right? Now after created, click save. Now your table has been created successfully. Your database name is Airline, table name will be customer, right? Keep in your mind, right? Now here I'm going to this column, this here we have to select this one and edit text, backspace to remove all the things, right? This one we have to remove it, right? Here select this text field, change the variable name as first one should be txt first name, click OK. This one should be txt last name, txt nic, txt passport, passport, right? This one txt address. If you give the name of each and every text boxes, we easily identify the name, right? When you code, right? This one should be right click, change variable txt dob, right? This one should be here. We no need to change this one. Contact, we have to change it as txt contact, right? Because it is only one field available. radio button 1 and 2. Okay, we have to give the name as default. Okay, J radio button 1, J radio button 2. Right, we successfully change the name. Right, this one we have to change it as a change variable txt photo. Click OK. That's the stuff we have to do. Right, here this one we have to change it as, select this one, we have to change it as this one as a txt id. Right, this name we have to change it as a txt id. After that, what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to download the MySQL connector for Java. Here there is the library we have to add it here. Okay, so it is very easy stuff to download. So here I'm going to connect MySQL server to Java. So we have to download the appropriate connector. So you just type on Google MySQL connector for Java. If you type, it goes to the relevant website for download. Here you just click on this link, the first link. It goes to the website. Come down. Here this is one should be the thing. Platform independent zip, this one, right? MySQL connector Java zip, this one. This zip you have to download, right? If you click this button, it goes to the download page. Here you no need to log in or sign up. You just click on this link. No thanks, just start my download. If you click this one, it start to download. In your local machine look like this. We no need to download, we already downloaded this one, so I just cancel it. Right, so I already downloaded and put into my folder F drive. Here MySQL connect, this one, right? It's come when you download it, it's downloaded the format as zip, right? Zip file. It's downloaded as a zip file. You have to extract them. Right click and extract all. Right, it will be extracted. After that, go to the project, this one. Here your project folder consists of two folders, source package and libraries. Select the library. If you expand it, you have a calendar.jar available. You click on this one, right click, properties. Here select this libraries, this one, add jar folder. Click on this one. If you click here, it goes to the jar, right, where you download jar. Okay, here MySQL connector, I have this here, F drive. If you click on this one, if you click this one, you will find this two jar. Okay, you select this two, hold on the shift key and control key and shift the two stuff and open. Right, open it, automatically added into a library. After that, click OK, it will be added here. Right, so here I am going to add it two stuff. Select this one, open it, here added, click OK. Right, it will be successfully added here. Right, this jar file should be added here. Right, now only you will be able to connect with the database and work with the database. If you not added, you not be able to connect the database. Right, now here, after that, what I am going to do is, here go to the source. Here I am going to create, this is the code part of the this customer page. First I am going to set the auto incremented part of this ID. Right, so here first I am going to create the public method void auto ID. I am going to create the method as auto ID. Here first I am going to write as a first class dot phoname. Here we have to write the MySQL driver dot MySQL dot JDBC dot driver. Right, the stuff you have to write. Here when you type first time, it show the error. Here right click, you have to surround the statement with catch. You have not this one, you have to select this one. It's automatically create the classes. Okay, save over here, it's automatically created here. So here, after that, what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to create another one for the above. I'm going to create here connection class and create a connection object. Here we no need to create as this, import this namespace. After that, prepared statement PST prepared prepared statement, right? Here we have to, what is the error here? Prepared, right? Sorry, prepared statement. Here we have to write, what's the error? Prepared statement. PST. Here we have to write as a add the prepare this one, import for Java SQL prepare statement, right? Here it's automatically added the classes here, prepare statement, and right this one, right? It's automatically, it will be added. After that, what I'm going to do is here I'm going to add con equal, so write as a con equal driver manager dot get connection. Here we have to write as a JDBC is MySQL. You have to write a path of that, localhost. What's the database name inside the localhost? Here this is the localhost server. What is the database name? Airline. So you have to write as Airline. The stuff you have to write. After comma, what is the default username is root of MySQL server. Default password is blank. Okay, you have to set like this. This is the very important stuff, right? It show the error again. Select this one. We have to, what is the error here? You have to write a connection. I have a problem, I think. Here the namespace is a problem, I think. Here this one, you have to remove the one. So write again. Connection con. You have to select not this one. You have to select this import for Java SQL connection. Right. Now it's working. Right. Now here you will be able to add the catch clause. Right. Earlier I add the MySQL, so that here this one you have to, this is the namespace you have to add it. Right. Now it will error go away. Right. After that, what I'm going to do is here I'm going to write the statement class statement. Yes, create the object arrays. We have to ask con dot create statement. Right. Here we have to this one, not this one. Don't get this one. Com dot this one. Import for Java this package. You have to import this one. Right. Statement. Bin dot statement. This one. Import SQL statement. This one you have to write as this one. That's where again. Right. After that you have to write as resulted rs equal yes dot execute query. You have to write the query here. Select max database keyword max. You have to write as ID. From which table? Customer table. rs dot next. So you have to import the classes as well. This one SQL, right? rs dot next. After that you have to write as rs dot get string. You have to write as this one as a max ID. Right. After that we have to write as if rs dot get string same thing. You have to copy and Ctrl C to copy this one. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Double equal null. Here we have to write open and close curly bracket. Here we have to write as a, we have to set the ID auto increment ID into this text box. What's the name of this one? txt ID. Ctrl C to copy this one. Source dot set text starting from customer ID CS001, starting for 001. That's stuff we have to write. Else you have to write is here is long id equal long dot pass long rs dot get string. Same thing you have to Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Dot substring 2 comma rs dot get string. Get string, right? The same here, this one, same thing here. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Boom. Right. Dot length. So we have to write. That's the top we have to write. After that you have to write id plus plus. This one txt set this one, same thing. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. So write like this. Here txt text cs. Here we have to write plus string dot format here we have to write 03 d right, comma here you have to write as id. Write another, right, perfect. That's the stuff you have to do, right? This auto generate id you Control C to copy. Here we have to call it when the form is loaded after the initialization component. This is the constructor of the add customer class. After the constructor, here we have to call it this function. When the form is loaded, this function should be loaded, right? Now let's execute and see. Add customer. Here auto number generated will be working fine, right? Now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to add the data into the database. That's the stuff you have to do. Here select the add button. Before we have to add the database into the database, here we want to see the browse coding, right? If you browse, you will be able to browse the image into this box, right? Let me see how to do the task. Select this one, right click, event, action performed, right? This is the button, right? Here we have to add the code. Here first we have to write a file chooser class. So j file chooser picture chooser equal new, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here, right? Here we have to import this one, right? After that we have to write as a file chooser this one, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here, dot show open dialog. So you have to write as null. After that we have to write as this one, file pic equal new picture chooser this one, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Here dot get selected file, right? That's the stuff we have to write, right? Here we have to import the file class, this one, right? That's the stuff we have to write. After that what I'm going to do is here go to this code. We have to copy this one, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here, right? This line. So here if I write this one, it take too much time to complete the project, so that we have to import the namespace here, right? That's stuff we have to write like this. After that what I'm going to do is here I'm going to get these two variables. Right click, Control C to copy, Control V to paste above. Now this one you have to hide this one right here. Right. String path equal null, byte image null. Right. Okay. You have to write like this. Okay. If I write all the stuff, it take too much of time to complete the project, so that I have to copy and paste it. These two lines we have to write. String path equal null, byte image. You have to store the image as a byte format, so that you have to write the data type as byte. Variable user image is this null. Right. You have to set above. Right. After that, what I'm going to do is here. You have to same thing. You have to paste it here after the line. This path, this one you have to Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. The stuff you have to below, right? This path means that variable you have created above. That variable you have to do the path, right? Here we have to, this one you have to add the class buffer image class. After that, this one imported. You have to import this class as well. Image, right? Stuff you have to write. After that, here what is the error here? You have to import this one, right? You have to all the classes you have to import it, right? Surrounded with the catch and try, right? Control X to cut off this one line. You have to paste it here. Right here, all the stuff you have to put into the catch. So problem. Control X cut off, Control V to paste here. Right, that's the stuff you have to write. Now here, what I'm going to do is here the label where your image will be displayed on this label. So you have to change variable. This is the line. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. That's the stuff you have to write. The simple code you have to write. Okay, this is the formats, image, JPG and PNG. These are the image formats I am going to giving. This is a format. After that, this is the image browser and choose the image. After choose the image, it is this is the image sizes I gave here. It is put into the this text box, browse and put into this label, right? So that here you have to control properties. You have to set the size as this one as we have to default here set as, you have to set here 250, this one 250 you have set like this, right? The same size you have set, right? Now let's check here, coming like this, right? Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Customer, add customer. Here is the, here browse it is working properly. Here I'm going to choose the image, this one, right? It's working properly, right? This is how you can browse the image, right? I hope you guys you understood so far how to auto-increment ID and how to browse the image. In my next tutorial, I'm going to teach how to add the data into the database. Thank you for watching.